Well, we've got a bit of Colclough china, Harlequin Ballet in this powder pink. Nice early piece, a little sugar bowl, D-shaped or wasted version. China marks on there, bone china Colclough made in England. That dates it to late 1940s, early 1950s. And we know that because in 1954-55 they moved to the Colclough Ridgeway Potteries China marks. So this is an early example of what later became known as Harlequin Ballet. This very nice, soft, light, powdery, milky pink, and then pure bone china with that white glaze, little gilt inner rim, and a sort of indent scalloped rim around the outside. Can you just see that? It's got these little indents in it, which are just palpable, but not a full scalloping. So a nice little example of an early Colclough powder pink Harlequin sugar basin. I think it's a little over 3.25 inches and 2 3/8 inches tall, in absolutely fine condition. 1940s to early 1950s is the date line for manufacture, and you won't find one in finer condition. The description link below will take you through to the listing for this. We've got some matching cape plates and some trios, all on the same china mark from the same date range available also, so do have a browse through the website when you get there. Thanks for watching.